Have you ever wondered how drones zoom around and float in the air? Let's explore the cool technology that makes this possible. Drones take flight using rotors. For the drone to be able to lift up, the blades on the rotor must be curved on the top and flat at the bottom to ensure faster airflow on top, so the drone can fly up when the blades spin fast. The main components of a drone are the motor, which gives power to the drone to have a smooth and stable flight. The rotors give the ability to fly with the blades. Typically, there is 4 of them. Gyroscope and sensors, these help the drone stay balanced and detect obstacles. Without these, the drone would crash easily. Remote control. The drone pilot uses the remote to guide the drone's movements and tell it where to go. Did you know drones were first created for the military? However, now they have many different purposes such as photography and videography, police surveillance and search and rescue, and they even help with agriculture monitoring. Many people use drones for fun, but they also serve as important tools to help humans do things that would be unsafe without them. Drones use many different technological advancements to allow humans to reach new goals.